Welcome to my class of mobile computing. Today we will learn Digital Enhanced Cordless Telecommunication DECT. DECT is the ETSI standard for short range cordless communication which can be adapted for many applications and can be used over unlicensed frequency allocations worldwide. DECT is suited to voice, data and networking applications with a range up to 500 meter. DECT dominates the cordless residential market and enterprise PABX private automatic branch exchange market. DECT is also used in wireless local loop to replace copper in the last mile for user premises. Now let us study background information and history of DECT, Digital Enhanced Cordless Telecommunication. What is DECT? Digital Enhanced Cordless Communication is a standard for digital wireless telephone technology. DECT standard was developed by ETSI in several places, the first of which took place between 1988 and 92 when the first round of standards were published. ETSI is European Telecommunication Standard Institute that developed DECT by combining CT2 and CT3, named Digital European Cordless Telephone at its launch by CEPT in November 1987. Its name was soon changed to DECT following a suggestion by Enrico Tosato of Italy to reflect its broader range of application including data services. DECT was developed by ETSI but has since been adopted by many countries all over the world. The original DECT frequency band was between 1880 and 1900 MHz, is used in all countries in Europe. DECT was first known as Digital European Cordless Telecommunication. DECT changed its correct name to reflect global acceptance. The first DECT was Siemens Gigaset 900 telephone in 1992. First ETSI standard of DECT were ETS 300 175 and 300 176. Digital Enhanced Cordless Telecommunication is a digital wireless technology for telephony that is used for both home and business. The DECT standard was created by the European Telecommunication Standard Institute in late 1980s. The standard was created to offer a more economical alternative about the existing wireless and cordless solution through a secure protocol. Now we will learn about the functionality of DECT, how DECT functions. It is high speed quality, low power technology, low risk of radio interface, uses time division multiple access TDMA to transmit the radio signals to DECT phone. DCT phone works from a base station with a handset. DCT uses TDMA to transmit radio signals to phone, whereas GSM is optimized for mobile travel over large area. DCT is designed specially for a small area with large number of users, such as in cities and corporate complexes. A user can have telephone equipped for both GSM and DECT. This is known as dual mode phone and they can operate seamlessly. Now there are five major applications of DECT. First one is cordless private branch exchange, PBX. A company can connect to a wired telephone company and redistribute signal by radio antenna to a large number of telephone users within the company, each with their own number. A cordless PBX would be specially useful and save cost in a country with a number of mobile employees such as those in a large warehouse. Second is wireless local loop, WLL. Users in a neighborhood typically served by a telephone company wired local loop can be connected instead by a cordless phone that exchanges signal with a neighborhood antenna, a standard telephone, or any device containing a telephone such as a computer modem or fax machine is simply plugged into a fixed access unit which contains a transceiver. The wireless local loop can be installed in an urban area where many users share the same antenna. Third is cordless terminal mobility. The arrangement used by businessmen for a cordless PBX can also be used by a service that provided cordless phone numbers for individual subscriber. In general, the mobility would be less than the available for GSM users. Fourth one is home cordless phone. A homeowner could install a single cell antenna within the home and use it for number of cordless phone throughout the home and garden. Fifth is GSM or DECT internetworking. It is part of the DECT standard, describes how it can interact with GSM standard so that users can be free to move with a telephone from the outdoors into the indoor environment, that is from GSM signal, and indoor environment means a duct system. It is expected that many GSM service providers may want to extend their service to support DECT signal inside building. A dual mode phone would automatically search first for a DECT connection, then for a GSM connection if DECT is not available. Now we will learn about its usage in society. It is used for residential and business purpose. DCT is used in many countries such as US, Italy and then UK. In 2002, Bluetooth was created. Bluetooth uses short range wireless data applications. DECT solution. Again, it falls under usage in society. Home solutions. Residential areas are the largest application area. fax, PC, telephone, as well as PC and telephone wireless devices are connected by a fixed access unit. PTSN, Public Switched Telephone Network. PTSN access allows 610 handset to be used externally and for intercom access. Thank you for watching. We will continue learning DCT in